Welcome to Knm Technologies. We are a professional filter production machine supplier. This is our factory. There are many kinds of filter welding machines. Our product line includes filter middle seam welding machines, filter trimming machines, filter and cap welding machines, filter length connecting machines, filter winding machines and other filter-related products for standard pleated filters, high-flow filters, melt-blown filters, etc. Our independently developed filter cartridge servo infrared welding machines and other products are widely praised at home and abroad. We have a professional production team, R&D team, sales team and after-sales service team, committed to providing customers with professional and high-quality products and services. Now, we will show you our successful cases. Our infrared filter and cap welding machine has a high reputation. We are also committed to bringing customers products with superior technology. Looking forward to cooperating with you.